It's nomination day for the BJP top guns in Uttar Pradesh, and all eyes are on the seat of Amethi as well, where Union Minister and Amethi MP is seeking re-election. Smriti Irani, who's just filed her nomination, flanked by Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav as well. Smriti Irani first led a massive roadshow before reaching the DM's office to file her nomination. The roadshow that saw people lining across the streets, throwing flowers and chanting slogans of Smriti Irani Zindabad. Let's listen in exactly what the Union Minister said after filing her nomination today.
सेवा के नए संकल्प के साथ आज मुख्यमंत्री मोहन यादव जी के सानिध्य में यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से प्रेरित भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रत्याशी के नाते अमेठी की सेवा में आज मैंने अपना नामांकन अमेठी की जनता के आशीर्वाद, समर्थकों के सहयोग से भरा। ये वो क्षेत्र है जिसमें माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जय घोष किया था कि हम क्षेत्र में बदलाव की दृष्टि से अपना प्रत्याशी दे रहे हैं।
Adeep, you witnessed her nomination right from the road show till the time she reached the office to file her nomination day. How was it like as far as Smriti Irani is now seeking re-election from the Amethi seat?
Well, Amit, it was a massive roadshow that started from the BJP office till DM office in Amethi. People gathered on the street to welcome Smriti Irani and Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Yadav. People were showering flowers on her as she was crossing from BJP office to Amethi DM's office. It was a 3-kilometer long roadshow in which people were gathered to welcome her in the scorching heat, but they were enthusiasm were high. They were welcoming, they were chanting slogans of Smriti Irani and Mohan Yadav. And after that, Smriti Irani reached the DM office to file her nomination. In about 15 to 20 minutes, she filed her nomination, and after that, she spoke to media in which she was saying, with the blessings of the people of Amethi, I am seeking re-election, and she was very confident while she was saying. She said that it was the first time in 2019 when many of the people in Amethi got facilities after the BJP came in power in Amethi. So this time also she is planning better for Amethi. This is what Smriti Irani has to say. Meanwhile, the BJP workers who were with her in the roadshow were very confident of her winning. Times Now spoke to several of them. They were saying that Smriti Irani has done well in the past 5 years, and this time too she will win from this particular seat.
All right, let's see what that would be about the results there. Of course, when it comes to the contender in the opposition, especially from the Congress, that hasn't been announced yet from Amethi. Let's also listen in to what the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister had to say.
पूरा प्रचंड बहुमत की एक तरह से लहर दिखाई दे रही मुझे मध्य प्रदेश में भी हो रही, पूरे देश में भी। पूरा देश मोदीमय हुआ है। मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि वर्तमान का समय विकास के लिए मोदी जी का हाथ मजबूत करने का, मोदी जी का साथ देने का, मोदी जी के साथ भाजपा के साथ चलने का, और मुझे जो लक्षण दिखाई दे रहा है निश्चित रूप से स्मृति जी अब की बार कई रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे। क्या हमने कहा है कि स्मृति ईरानी जी हमारी जबरदस्त प्रत्याशी, अब कांग्रेस किसको जबरदस्ती लाती मेरे को नहीं मालूम।
Now, meanwhile, on the other side, there are only speculations and silence and confusion. Congress, which is keeping its cards close to its chest over Amethi and Rai Bareli, but Times Now has been continuously giving our viewers the latest inside scoop on what is happening behind the scenes. And a day after we told you that there were certain murmurs about Priyanka Gandhi Vadra being likely to be fielded from Rai Bareli, now we are learning that there might be another deadlock. The Gandhi siblings were said to be in a huddle on Sunday night, and sources suggest that both have given their own reasons to being reluctant to contest the elections. Rahul Gandhi thinks that leaving one seat for the other, if he wins both, would send out a wrong message, while Priyanka Gandhi seems to be suggesting that if the entire Gandhi Parivar becomes Sansad or parliamentarians, that could also have a negative impact on the party's image. The BJP, meanwhile, only seems to be playing the game of wait and watch. Of course, the Amethi candidate Smriti Irani has filed her nomination today, but the Rai Bareli candidate on part of BJP's side still hasn't been announced.
देखिए, चाहे कांग्रेस हो या सपा हो, दोनों ही पार्टी और पार्टियों के नेता कंफ्यूज हैं। वो आत्मविश्वास उनका डोल गया है। आप देख रहे हो कितनी बार टिकट बदलते हैं। बदायूं को हाल देखा हुआ, कितनी लोकसभा को देखा हुआ। तब मैं कह सकता हूँ कि अभी तक उनकी हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पा रहे हैं कि रायबरेली और अमेठी से लड़ेगा कौन। अमेठी या रायबरेली से गांधी परिवार भी आएगा, वो हार के जाएगा, इसलिए वो दूसरी सीट चुनते वायनाड व्हाई नॉट? अगर उनको आत्मविश्वास होता कि मैं तो यहाँ पी सकता हूँ तो शायद वो यहाँ से भागकर व्हाई नॉट नहीं जाते। और
शीघ्र ही श्री राहुल गांधी जी का निर्णय हो अमेठी के लिए और श्रीमती प्रियंका गांधी जी का निर्णय हो। कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता घर घर जा रहे हैं, श्री राहुल गांधी जी के संदेश को पहुंचा रहे हैं, श्रीमती प्रियंका गांधी जी की बात को पहुंचा रहे हैं। और अमेठी और रायबरेली के लोग इस बात को लेकर उत्सुक हैं कि राहुल गांधी जी आए, और जैसे ही राहुल गांधी आएंगे आप यकीन मानिए कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्मृति ईरानी को कोई वहां पूछे तक नहीं, उनको कार्यकर्ता भी नहीं मिलेंगे।